LuNiche Aziza was one of those fragrances I saw on Daniel Renee's live, one of the many that I purchased. And when I read the notes, I was like, I need to smell this because I am hoping that it is exactly what I am reading here. So main accords are powdery, woody, white floral, vanilla, coconut, fruity, sweet, lactonic, almond, warm, and spicy. Top notes are coconut, nectar, peach. Stole my heart. Shire is the middle note, which is a flower. It's a sweet white floral. Never smelled that before. Base notes are sandalwood and heliotrope. So it's supposed to be a light floral sweet fragrance. I'm excited. Let's open her up. Okay, packaging. The color of this bottle though, I don't know. Like the color of the bottle, this pink and blue feels like cotton candy to me. I just wish there was like a cotton candy note. I'm so visual. Okay. Honestly, I really think that the color of this bottle just, I saw it and was like, it just looks juicy. It just looks juicy. Let's give her a spray. Oh, not that way. That coconut and nectar, peach, woo. Super fresh and light. She's cute. She's cute. She's soft. She's summery. A little beachy. Very light floral. She's reminding me of something. She's reminding me of something. She's reminding me a little bit of Rose Paris by Shahadi. Let me do a spray, a side by side. Almost like a little stronger though. Rose Paris is very light. Yes, she reminds me a little bit of that kind of scent profile, which is interesting because let me look up the notes. Okay, both fragrances have heliotrope and both of them have sandalwood. So they just have this little bit of a similarity. Rose Paris has vanilla, so she's a tad bit sweeter, but it's like a different sweetness because LuNiche Aziza has that coconut kind of sweetness to it as well. So she is a very light, fresh, fruity, light floral fragrance. She's very, very beautiful. Very light. So if you do like this kind of DNA, I think you would definitely like her. I think she's a little bit stronger than Rose Paris is, but still staying very, very light. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like Aziza. Let me know if you have tried Rose Paris. Comment, like this video, and follow along for more.